Hello everyone, welcome to Code Warriors. So before starting today's video, I would like to thank every viewer, every subscriber and every supporter of Code Warriors. Because of your all supports, today we had got our join button. What is this join button that you are seeing on our channel? By clicking on this join button and paying the membership fees, you can get 1 month membership of Code Warriors. And instead of that, you will get many perks, many premium things from Code Warriors. So in this video, I am going to explain about the three types of membership of Code Warriors. So let's get started. So everyone, guys, first membership is bronze membership. In this bronze membership, as you can see, what you will get a loyalty badge whenever you comment in our video or live chats. Then you will, in before your name, you will see these badges. Moreover, who will take any membership, we will shout out their names in our videos. And for bronze member, they will get social media recognition in our LinkedIn page. We will make posters for them if they are top performers. If they perform well, we will make poster for them and we will put it in our LinkedIn post. And they will also get community posts. We will put some member only community post which will be accessible only by members only. So this was the basic plan, this that is known as bronze plan of our Codeverse channel. It costs 59 rupees per month. So moving forward, next plan is silver plan. As you can see in this plan, everything is included from bronze plan. If you purchase this plan, you will get everything that is available in bronze plan. Moreover, you will get premium material subscription. As you can see, you will get premium materials which is prepared by Codeverse mentors. You won't find such materials over internet because these are some exclusive materials prepared by our Codeverse. That includes some ebooks, some cheat sheet. Moreover, you will also get some ebooks by different writers which is very much high in cost, but we will provide you under this membership. And more, you will get that exclusive member only videos. We will make some videos, some YouTube tutorials especially for our members. If you buy bronze membership, you won't get this facility of premium materials and exclusive member only videos. So in silver, you will get everything from bronze membership. Moreover, you will get these more perks. Now this membership costs 159 rupees per month, and our most well or best membership is this gold membership, which costs 2000 or 1999 rupees per month. You will get everything that is included in bronze and silver pack. Moreover, you will get more members only live stream. As you must be aware, if you are a member of our channel or a subscriber of our channel, we conduct events or what workshop regularly. So if anyone buy this plan, then members of this plan will get members only live stream, which is not accessible by bronze and silver members. So if you buy our gold membership, you will get members only live stream. We will contact you through different groups or your contact number. And if you have any doubts in any of our tutorials, you can directly ask us. This is also a very good opportunity for buying gold membership. And you will also get a project guidance end to end. As you can see that members will get end to end project guidance on topics of machine learning. If you are doing any projects or if you want any idea, we will also provide you idea and we will guide you throughout your project, from making a machine learning model to deploying it into a cloud. We will guide you by step in this membership. So I hope you all are clear about these three types of membership, that is bronze, silver, and gold. Moreover, we are going to launch our different emojis which will be accessible by the members of Code Warrior channel, and they can use that emojis in live chat and comments like thing. And for purchasing this membership, either you can search Code Warriors on the internet and clicking on the join button, you can get access to any of the membership you want. Moreover, we will provide you link in the description for this different kinds of membership which you want to purchase. So again, I want to first of all thank you. Without your support, we won't be able to get this join button. And after this join button, we are looking forward to serve our regular viewers as per as our new members who will join this channel by clicking on join button. We will provide some different perks that is listed over here. So guys, I would again like to thank you all, and I would like to end this video. So keep learning and and keep supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you are enjoying our channel videos, then you can also join our channel. Thank you.